first thing that I'd like to know is how can you build awareness around these words? Like, kailangan pa ba ng clinical diagnosis before you use those words? Like, or kailangan mo lang ba maging aware if you're feeling like yung extreme sadness? Yun na ba yun?
Linawin ko lang kaya. I mean, I think hindi mo na i-bleep tong lahat ng sinabi
Ay,
natin dito. Tama
ano?
ba? Hindi na. Tuloy mo na
Di,
to. Hindi
yes.
na. Fuck this shit, di ba? Okay, tuloy na yan.
Yes.
Meron ba akong freedom to say whatever?
Yes!
Meron, di ba?
Of
Podcast lang
course.
naman to eh. Okay. Sige. So, tinatanong mo ako kung how do I work with words? How do I work with associations with these words? Lalo na kung mabigat.
Yes.
Lalo na kunwari, ang mga words is anxiety, yan,
Uh-huh.
depression, ganyan. I'll share a short story para lang mas
Okay.
maintindihan ng mga ng audience. When I was asked this before ng isang client, ang sinasagot ko sa kanya is very simple. I am not here to give you definitions of that. Wala.
Okay.
Hindi mo ako maririnig. Tanggalin ko to sa salamin ko. Para explain. Medyo mainit tong topic na to para sa akin eh. Okay.
Ay, gusto
Kasi
ko yan.
maraming lumalapit na ganyan eh. Coach, meron akong depression. Meron akong
Mm.
anxiety. Okay. So, I get to understand na iba rin yung usapan pag sinabi nilang clinically depressed ako. Iba rin yung
Yeah.
usapan na
Uh,
I took some test and ito yung lumabas. So, minsan nagiging ako na yung last hope.
ah.
Most of my clients are tapos na sila, galing na sila dun sa meds, galing na sila dun
Mm.
sa and I understand that's a different practice eh. That's not again, that's I'm working with a different practice here. Ah. Linawin ko lang. Okay, not to say anything bad with anything. No, 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 not to say anything bad. I am not here to define it for you. It is defined by the person going through it. So kung ang tanong ko is ano yung depression para sa iyo? Yun yung gusto ko intindihin eh.
Oh.
Hindi, kasi as a professional, ito yung challenge. When I
Mm.
say something, there's a big, big, big chance. Sabi ko nga kanina, authority, di ba? Di ba? Iba na yung energy ko ngayon. Siyempre, tangina, ibuhos ko na to, di ba? Dito na tayo. There's a big, big, big chance you would make it your reality.
Uy, gusto ko yun, coach. Ang ganda nun.
So ngayon, tingnan mo. Look at all, ayokong generalize, look at most of the friends or ako, most of the clients that have said that I have this. They came to you believing that they have this, but they approach you believing that they can get over it.
Okay.
Yun yung sa akin. Ibig
Mm.
sabihin, you talking to me right now, you want to make that change. I want to help you make that change. Eh.
Mm-hmm.
Pero we'd have to work with the definitions. We'd have to work with your belief set. We'd have to work with what you're saying to yourself on a day-to-day basis. Kung
Mm.
araw-araw mo tangina sasabihin mo sa akin, depressed ako eh. And then depressed ka. Now, the question is, what is depression for you? And it could be different from person to person, but if I give you a fucking checklist, pak, 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 tapos nag-check, check, 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 tatlo yung nag-check doon, hindi naman nag-check lahat eh. Hindi naman
Okay.
nag-check lahat eh. Tapos tangina papasok ka ng core group, papasok ka ng depression group, lahat kayo nandun, nagkikwentuhan ng storya nyo. Tapos ako rin, check, 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 check,
Nag-spiral daw.
ako rin yung din nararamdaman ko ngayon. Puta, lahat na, bam, check, 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 check. Gets mo yung,
Yes.
what I want to change. This is something na, parang, I understand. There are lots of things that are centered with environment, with the people that we love, with
Mm.
there are a lot of uncontrollable, di ba? May mga times na sabihin mo uncontrollable yung mga bagay. Because yun nga, eh, you're swimming in it. But hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan? So that's where I really feel that bakit ako nandito sa profession na to.
Mm.
I see that I could make a change.
Yeah.
I could make a change. And if mas mahina yung determination mo dun sa tao, hindi, kaya nga sila lumapit sa'yo eh.
Mm.
Because they see na pwede kang masandalan at pwede mo silang tulungan.
Yes.
That's why as a mental health practitioner, it's very important na above ka dun sa
Mm.
nararamdaman niya. Kung pareho kayo,
Okay.
magdadamayan kayo, I mean,
Spiral down na.
oh. Kaya
Yes.
when there are days that we don't feel at our best, there
Mm.
are days. There are days that we're drained. And when I feel that, I don't take in clients. I cancel on my clients.
Mm.
It's understandable. I do love being professional, but if I'd be pushing myself just to attend a client call and then hindi ko mabigay yung best ko kasi utak ko nasa ibang lugar, it would be a disservice to the people that put their trust in me.
Yes, true, true.
So, balikan ko lang yung doon sa words, pag-manage ng words. Very conscious ako na hindi nadagdagan yung mga meanings na binigay na nila doon sa sarili nila. And kung nasabi mo nga, we've worked together, gets mo yung statement ko na yun.
Yes.
May mga bagay na hindi mo na dapat sabihin, hindi mo na
Mm.
dapat ulitin yung mga storya because stories, when you tell it, most of the time we visualize it and meron siyang attached na mga emotions and feelings, moods, and whatsoever. Iba yung mga storya na normal lang, kwento mo lang. Eh, kanina, pumunta ako dito. You have to
Mm.
retain it, remember it, di ba?
So, that's how you work with people na lumalapit sa'yo, di ba? Pero, ano yung advice mo naman? Like, kasi for sure, if may mga nakikinig, hindi naman sila kaagad magbubuk ng call sa'yo for you to help them define their words.
Hmm.
So, ano yung advice mo sa kanila in being aware of those words even before pa sila lumapit sa'yo?
So, ganun na lang. Para, ano, loaded yung question eh. Teka, ang dami.
Ang
Ang
dami
dami,
ba?
wow, ang dami. Parang, whoa, shit. Whoa, whoa, wait.
Wait.
Uh, teka lang. So, ganito lang, simple lang ko lang ha. So, ano yung
Okay.
advice ko sa mga tao na hindi ko pa nakakausap, hindi pa ako
Mm.
kilala, or ganyan. Una, let's work with your self-talk. What do you repeat to yourself?
Mm.
What do you say to yourself? And that becomes, there's a big chance that it becomes real. So I
Mm.
want you to not just be aware of it. Una, paano ba yung awareness na yan, di ba? Minsan ang tagal bago maging aware sa mga bagay-bagay.
Yes.
Minsan it takes a lifetime before we notice that we've been doing the same patterns for the last decade and 'di ba? Sabihin mo same shit different day because yeah, you've been repeating the same patterns again and again, 'di ba?
Mm.
Take time. Please take time. I want you to be very, very serious with giving yourself alone time. Just ask yourself questions. I mean, one of the questions I ask my clients before I take in a mentee or a coachee is, who am I?
Yes.
Diba? It's a very long, it could be just one question, who am I? But who are you to yourself? Who are you to other people? Who are you when no one's looking? Who are you? I mean, there are lots of like answers that you could get from just that question. And when you get to understand yourself better, it's easier for you to define what is happiness, what could help me be better. The answers are within you. It's not
Mm.
with other people. If you are having a hard time finding the answers, then that's where your friends or professionals come in. They're not part of the problem. They're not part with your emotions that you're feeling. So it's easier for the other people to, see things that you don't see.
Mm.
So, yun lang mainly ang advice ko sa mga nakikinig dito na hindi pa ako kilala. Work with your self-talk. I'm not saying that, okay, maging positive yung self-talk mo, dapat gawin yung positive. No, 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 no. I'm just saying that I want you to notice everything. What do you say to yourself? What could change? If you say it differently, would it affect you the same way or a different way?
Mm.
Diba? Change. I mean, focus lang. You should know yourself better than other people. Ikaw
Yes.
yan. So, yeah, spend time lang para sa sarili mo. Start with there. Start there.
Okay.
Start there.
And can you, coach, can you give me an example of parang like how your decision making is affected by your environment? Like yung maybe childhood experiences, tas nadala mo na siya sa pagtanda mo, parang ganun. So,
Belief yan eh. Ang tawag
okay.
ko dyan, yung
Can you tell me more?
controversial na naman to. Ha? Oo, sinabi ko na yan eh. Inner child is shit.
Ah, ah,
Dami. Sabi ko, bakit? Shit, ano yan? Uh, how I see it, it's a construct. I did an episode on this one, Kai.
Mm.
I called it, I think that's episode 4. Hindi, overgeared. Episode 3 yata sa
Self-talk.
Self-Talk the
Okay.
podcast
Yes.
The topic there was influence. The topic
Mm.
there was influence. There are lots of studies na we are highly influenced by our parents growing up. Malaking factor talaga yan. Kapatid, di ba? Kung may
Mm.
kapatid ka, kung solong
Yes.
anak ka, malaking factor parents mo lang. Ngayon, ang problema natin is meron ng cellphone at meron ng internet.
Mhm.
Nung dati, wala eh. Direct lang yung, kung ano, TV. Di ba? Hindi ko pa bawal po mag-TV noon, di ba? Yun lang. Yun lang yung influence mo. Parents. And tingnan mo ngayon yung, nasan ka? Are you still highly influenced by the people around you? Or do you have the power to influence yourself? Now, we are in a society. We are in a society that that harbors control, buying things, capitalism, and dami pa. Diba? Mga tao sa paligid natin that we see are influential. We follow, we buy what they use,
Mhm.
designer brands and everything. When you get to accept that you're influenced by other people, you can control what influences you by surrounding yourself with the right people,
Yes.
curating your social media. You're seeing something that you see that won't benefit you, you could snooze, you could unfollow. You could then cheat the algorithm and just feed it by following like motivation, following like
Mhm.
different mindset gurus and coaches, mga abundance, money, financial, yun na, di ba? Kaya mong i-curate eh. So, again, yes, we are influenced by our environment. But also, yes, we can work and program our environment. Okay? So,
Okay.
yun yung advice ko. Pero yung nasabi ko kanina, linawin ko lang yung sa inner child.
Okay.
Okay, linawin ko lang. Baka sabihin, gago to. Yun yung totoo di ba? Healing your inner child. Dapat, di ba? Yung inner child natin. Kawawa yung tayo ng bata. Taas ngayon, matanda na. Kaya natin i-heal yung inner child natin, di ba? Bakit inner child lang? You created that. What's stopping you from having that inner adult that's responsible for their actions? Wala kang blame inner child. Wala. Wala.
Wow. Yes,
Wala.
ah.
Inner lolo. Di ba?
Lolo agad.
Inner lola. Di ba? Yeah. I mean, pero again, kidding aside, this is a very, very serious topic. But I do timeline therapy. I do help people visualize their self as a young person, yung inner child. And I see this as very good tools because, again, I'm working not with my reality, but the reality of my clients.
Mm.
So if my client believes in an inner child, then we work with the inner child.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the secret because it's their reality that you're working with, not mine. But again,
Galing.
if you ask me, syempre, sagot ko dun, constructed yan. If we could construct an inner child, we could also construct an inner team.